good question. I think there's a couple items that can be some of the biggest problems for a project in medical device development. I think one of the first ones is not having an experienced project manager. I think that can really make or break the project. They're kind of that leader of the project, and being able to bring that to fruition as efficiently and as effectively as possible. Even though project management's been around for a long time, most organizations still are struggling with project management, and those results can be pretty devastating. Deadlines can get pushed back, scope creep sets in, and budgets can balloon out of control if not properly managed. By having a good understanding of the development process of the device, the project phases, the regulations, those allow us to have the most efficient and effective project management, someone who has some of that technical expertise. Additionally, the second biggest problem that we see in projects for medical device development is being able to keep the requirements defined and aligned throughout the project. According to the PMI, project managers are here to solve the appropriate problems. That's why early in the project, PMs should keep asking the client or their sponsors, what is your desired use? That if the answer is, oh, we're still working on the requirements, that can be really dangerous. Not just from a regulative, but from a functional concern standpoint. You can get a long way down the path and then understands it's not exactly what you desire. Maybe the outcome isn't what you were looking for or the intended application. So much of your project plan relies on the desired use, the strategy to get to market, how much you get paid for it, who's going to pay for it. It can lead to a lot of wasted effort or rework if your requirements for the device aren't outlined or kept in the scope of the project in the forefront of everyone's mind. A project manager should ensure that minor changes don't lead to a larger unintended impact by involving appropriate team members, such as ensuring your regulatory team members, quality team members, manufacturing, and other technical resources are aligned on what the requirements are and how we can continue to keep those focused, or be having some other discussions along the way to ensure that those are met.